Now we are near in Akbar Mosque. I want to tell you that you can find large numbers of street vendors here. Now, let's go. If you are living or have been to Indonesia, street vendors are common sight in Indonesia street. In addition to hawkers pending their goods on bicycles or carts, it is easy to find large numbers of street vendors easily in Indonesia cities, include Jakarta. Street vendors might cost walking on the street, especially in Jakarta. You just need to spend a few time to find them. It's not hard to you. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive more like it in the future.